How did Oregon's act change physician-assisted suicide laws? Imagine a world where patients facing the end of their lives have more choices about how they want to face that moment. Oregon's law opened that door. The Death with Dignity Act was passed by voters in 1990 and took effect in 1997. It was the first law in the United States to make physician-assisted suicide legal under specific rules. Before this law, helping someone end their life was illegal and considered homicide in most places. This law changed that by creating a clear legal process for terminally ill patients to choose to end their suffering with medical help. The law set strict rules to protect everyone involved. Only patients diagnosed with a terminal illness expected to lead to death within 6 months could qualify. 2 doctors had to confirm the diagnosis. Patients had to be mentally capable of making their own decisions and not suffering from depression that could impair judgment. They needed to make a written request for the medication, with witnesses present. This process made sure the choice was voluntary and well thought out. The law also made a distinction between physician-assisted suicide and euthanasia. In this case, the doctor prescribes the medication, but the patient must take it themselves. This keeps the focus on patient control and autonomy. The law emphasizes respecting the patient's right to decide how and when they want to die, while also safeguarding against impulsive or coerced decisions. It also promotes the principles of beneficence and non-maleficence. By allowing patients to avoid prolonged pain and loss of dignity, the law aims to promote comfort and reduce suffering. Justice is reflected in the fact that eligible patients have equal access to this option, regardless of their background. Oregon's law had a big impact beyond its borders. It set a precedent that influenced other states and countries to consider similar laws. It sparked ongoing discussions about ethics in medicine, the role of doctors, and patient rights at the end of life. The law encouraged open conversations about death and dying, helping society better understand the choices people face when life is coming to an end. Procedural safeguards are part of the law to ensure decisions are voluntary and well-informed. Multiple doctor confirmations, mental capacity evaluations, written requests, and waiting periods are all in place. These steps help prevent impulsive or coerced decisions and protect vulnerable individuals. In summary, Oregon's Death with Dignity Act changed laws by creating a regulated, ethical way for terminally ill patients to choose their time and manner of death. It grounded this choice in core medical ethics principles: autonomy, beneficence, non-maleficence, and justice, shaping ongoing debates and policies about end-of-life care across the country and beyond.